You weren't created to live an average life. If you've been waking up late, if your goals are always tomorrow, if deep down you feel like you could be so much more, but something inside keeps holding you back, let me tell you something that might shake your soul. Laziness isn't just a bad habit, it's a spiritual disease. And if you don't fight it, it will steal your dreams, your iman, and your chance to rise in the sight of Allah. You're not the only one struggling with it. Even the Prophet, peace be upon him, the most disciplined human being, used to seek protection from laziness. Every single day, he would say, "O Allah, I seek refuge in you from worry and grief, from incapacity and laziness." Sahih Bukhari. Yes, even he asked Allah to protect him from it. Because laziness isn't just about sleep or procrastination. It's a whisper from Shaitan, a slow poison that makes the heart heavy and the soul forget its purpose. Here's the scary part. Laziness makes you delay Salah. It keeps you from opening the Quran. It makes you forget that time is slipping, that death doesn't wait for motivation. Laziness doesn't just cost you your dunya, it could cost you your akhirah. And most people don't wake up until it's too late. Islam doesn't just tell you to be productive, it gives you the exact spiritual system to beat laziness forever. Here's the secret. It's not about doing more. It's about remembering who you are. You are the servant of Allah, the one whom angels record, the one who wakes up for Fajr while the world sleeps, the one who does the hard thing because they know Jannah isn't easy. Let this sink in. Every time you win over your laziness, you're not just being productive. You're obeying Allah. You're purifying your soul. You're saying with your actions, "Ya Allah, I want Jannah more than I want comfort." That's the mindset of the believer. That's what beats laziness, purpose, vision, taqwa. Laziness tells you you have time. But the Prophet, peace be upon him, told us, take benefit of 5 before 5. Your youth before your old age, your health before your sickness, your free time before you are preoccupied. Hakim. Every second is a gift, and every breath is a chance to rise in rank. Here's your spiritual toolbox. Dua. Ask Allah sincerely to remove laziness from your heart. Quran. Let it revive your soul when motivation fades. Remember death, because when you do, you stop delaying your purpose. Salah on time, the best discipline builder in existence. Start with Fajr. Win your morning and you win your life. Good company. Surround yourself with the disciplined. Laziness dies in their presence. Stop waiting for motivation. Start moving with discipline, with niyyah, with faith. Even when you don't feel like it, especially when you don't feel like it. Because that's where true growth happens. And one day, your soul will thank you. On the day when laziness will scream with regret, you'll stand proud before Allah, knowing you used your time well. So today you have 2 choices. Keep waiting for the right time that never comes. Or start now with one small act of sincere effort for the sake of Allah. Which one do you think leads to Jannah? Choose wisely. The clock is ticking.